Hi everybody, and welcome to video 6 in our Essential Ephemera Bundle series. Now, as you've noticed by the board, yes, this is the flip through, but I just wanted to tell you real quick in case you didn't see the other videos what's going on. The Essential Ephemera Bundle is a collaboration kit between Nonstop Papercrafts and LineDotArrow. There's 21 pages in each kit that are in color, and then 21 pages in sepia in each kit that is available as well, or included as well. And so that gives you 84 pages to work with. There's been challenges, or there will be challenges all month, and also you get freebies with those so that you can do the challenges without purchasing the kits if you don't want to. But all your pictures of your challenge projects and other projects go towards giving you entries into the drawings. So you want to make sure that you go to every Facebook group that's participating, which I'll tell you in just one second, and post your pics there, because that way you'll get entries. If you post your pictures with or videos with just freebies, that's cool, and that'll get you an entry. If you use the freebies and part of the kits, then you will get 2 entries. If you use just the kits, you'll get 2 entries. Okay, the other groups that are involved are SavageArt, Two Sister Jam, and of course LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group, Nonstop Papercrafts, and Sweet Pea Papers, and Junk Journal Tutorials, and more. All 6 of these Facebook groups are places you can post. Okay, now I did not do a complete book, but this is my lap book. It's sitting kind of funny because I only put one sample signature in, and it's stuffed full, so it's kind of, the weight of it is just kind of pulling it a little bit. So this is the front. This is my spine. I think the spine turned out really pretty. And this is the back. These are the ends. Now you'll notice there's only one cord, and that's because I've only got one signature inside. So let's take a look at the inside. It opens like this. I put 2 small pockets here. They're 3 inches wide. And a little bit you could put small tags or something in there, or since it's I used acetate for all the pockets, and so it's clear, so you don't have to put anything there if you don't want to. And then when you open this side, you've got a belly band here, and it's holding an envelope, which I guess I could have put like this. And then we've got these giant tickets that won't fit anywhere else, and I've actually folded under one of them because they're really tall. Then on this side we have the 3 large tags. There's another little pocket here, and then on this side we have 2 more large tags, and we have the small pocket to the side. I always in my projects do something so I know what kit it was and everything, so there's that. When you first open this, there's a belly band here. Like I said, everything's acetate, so you won't actually see the pockets. Maybe you will. There's the shininess. There's the belly band. This is an envelope. You can see we've got tags. Now this is just, these are just examples. This is 1 pocket in the bottom, 1 pocket in the bottom. I think this is 2 pockets. This is 2 pockets. This is 2 pockets, but I didn't need anything for the bottom. This is 3 pockets. This is 3. This is 3. This turned out nice. I don't normally use ephemera from one kit to the next, but if I did, or if I put all neutral like this, maybe, I could see myself using something like this. At first I thought, oh, you don't need one of those. But, you know, I do have a box full of butterflies and a box full of flowers and a box full of little plants, green, you know, plants and trees. So it's possible I could make a signature for each and another one for, say, tags, generic tags, and then I would have it at the ready. So here's a couple of pockets with the tags that go in them. This is another belly band here. I have to feel it to, I can't see them. And this is another one pocket, and there's 4 cards, but they're all matching, so I put them all in one pocket. This is 2 pockets, and we've got a whole bunch of tags. Can't make them crooked. They must cascade down. Here's one big pocket. Here is 2 pockets, but I only used the bottom one since they're acetate. Oh, in fact, it's a 3 pocket. I just put this one in here temporarily because normally I really would use. And also I would say that I really didn't do any rhyme or reason because I wasn't really planning on using it as to where the pockets were. Like, I probably should have put a section of 3 pocket to keep the smaller stuff together, and then a section with 2 pockets, and then a section with 1 pocket. Do you see what I mean? Here I've got them all mixed willy-nilly together, and it doesn't really, I mean, it's a little bit organized, but it's not completely organized. And you'll notice I did the signature cover in color to match the outside cover. And that's it. This side has the holes for the cords. I'll probably put the cords in. And we have room over here for one more signature. I don't know how, but we can fit it in there. So I'll probably put the cord in for that. I've got the extra papers that I can stick in. And then I can come back and put the pockets in them at any time. Okay? All right, well, that's it for the flip through of my sample. And I will see you next time in the next video series. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.